Okay. Alright. Wait, I need a thing.
So much for cooking crab.
No, I need the crab to hold on to something to do.
Close it up, please. That the crab doesn't run out.
Good, I will. Let me see run out.
Kathy's cooking crab. 2 crab. We wasn't on 2 crab last night. 2.
Better nothing.
Hope they're alive.
Yes, they're there, man. 2 little ass crab, boy.
Oh my, one is even looking weak.
But it's alive, that's the important thing. Okay. Let's make it check.
Kathy, that's not how you hold crab. Give me this. Hold it.
You can hold it up your hand?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Kashana, go, boy.
Yeah, with my father, right? The thing is, I have nails.
Don't break the crab back, you know.
No. Stop. If that crab bites me on camera, it'll be a YouTube moment.
You can pour it in the water like that?
And I don't want to pour this.
But it's still clean after, so it doesn't really matter. Just to show face looking hot. That's
That's
both of
that.
them? Ella. Hey, that's torture, eh?
Kind of a moderation. This one is a little weak. Because it looked like Mikhail. Tyson battered last night.
Go crab. Go crab.
Jump in.
Dive.
It's cold water jump.
Ah! Shut up. Alright, that's it. You know what I hate? It's a white necky thing that's come out and it's...
Front.
Yeah, that.
Okay. And it's 2 girls.
How you know?
Because their vagina are large.
Mm.
This is the vagina. When it's large, it's 2 girls. So
When it's large, it's 2 girls.
So hopefully we get eggs. Okay, put this over.
Alright.
Chef on a shoestring.